and this is the Spec Delta RGB, one of the coolest looking cases we've ever made here at Corsair. The first thing you guys are going to notice is its distinctive angular front panel. It's made out of a smoke transparent material that's glossy and black when off, but when you turn your system on, it's lit from behind by the 3 included RGB fans. But this unique front panel is not all about good looks. It includes mesh intake so you can get cool air to your hottest components. And to show off all your glorious components, we've included this frameless tempered glass side panel. The I/O panel contains 2 USB 3.0 ports, your power and reset switches, and a combined headphone mic jack. The top dust filter is magnetic, so you can remove it quickly for easy cleaning. Unlike all of our other cases, the Spec Delta features a direct airflow path, which means that the cool air from the front fans gets directly to the hot components without anything in between. The Spec Delta comes with 4 120mm fans. In the front are 3 RGB fans that can be connected to the Asus MSI or Gigabyte RGB software, and in the rear is a 120mm exhaust fan. Despite its compact size, the Spec Delta actually has tons of room for water cooling. You can fit a 360mm radiator in the front, a 240mm up top, and up to a 120mm radiator in the back. And to keep your system looking clean and tidy, we have a full-length PSU cover and tons of cable routing cutouts and tie-downs. For storage, there's a combination 3.5-inch, 2.5-inch drive cage in the bottom that can be removed, and 2 more 2.5-inch drive sleds behind the motherboard tray. And to keep the dust out of your system, we have integrated dust filters in the front panel, under the power supply, and on top of the case. And that's the Spec Delta RGB. It looks great on the outside, it works great on the inside. For more information, head on over to Corsair.com.